Hey friends, it's time for our math video. It's been a while since we did fluency, so we're going to start with that, okay? We're going to play take away fingers. So get your fingers ready. Ready? Show me 5, take away 1. 5, take away 1 is 4. Good job. Ready? Show me 4, take away 3. 4, take away 3 is 1. Ready? Show me 5, take away 3. 5, take away 3 is 2. Show me 4, take away 1. 4, take away 1 is 3. Good. Show me 2, take away 1. 2, take away 1 is 1. Show me 4, take away 2. 4, take away 2 is 2. Show me 3, take away 1. 3, take away 1 is 2. Show me 5, take away 2. 5, take away 2 is 3. Good job. Okay, friends, if you'd like to follow along at home today, here's what you will need. You will need something to write with. I have a pad of paper, a pen or pencil, anything to write with will work. You can practice writing your number bonds, drawing pictures of what we do, anything you want. You're also going to need one type of counter today. I'm going to use pennies. You can use whatever you want if you want to count, okay? Let's get started. Okay, our goal today says I can take apart 9 and 10 in different ways using stories, objects, pictures, and number bonds. Okay, here's our first story. It says, it's snack time, just like yesterday, friends. It's snack time. And today it's starring me and Moose. We had 9 Doritos to share. How can we split them up? What did you think? How can we split these Doritos up between me and Moose? Let's see if your idea matches mine. I'm going to give 1 to me and 1 to Moose until we run out of Doritos. Let's see how many each gets. You ready? 1 and 1. 1 for me. 1 for Moose. 1 for me. 1 for Moose. 1 for me. 1 for Moose. And 1 for me. And I'm out. All right, friends. Let's write a number bond. Get out something to write with. Pause the video and see if you can write a number bond about how we split up these 9 Doritos. Okay. If you haven't paused, pause. If you have paused and you're pressing play, let's check your math. Ready? All right. So we started with 9 Doritos, friends. That's our whole. My part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moose's part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Your number bond should look like mine. If you got the 5 and the 4 switch, that's okay. Make sure you have these numbers. You ready? Let's refresh and try another way to split up these Doritos. Aha, here we go. What if I gave myself 3 Doritos? Because last time I had 5, I want something less. Hopefully that'll give Moose some more. Okay, let's give me 3 Doritos. And then we'll give the rest to Moose. I want you to pause the video, count out 9 counters. Let's pretend these counters, these pennies, are Doritos. And we're going to give 3 in a group for me, and then the rest is going to give to Moose. And let's see if you can figure out the 2 parts before I show it to you in the video. You ready? All right, pause. Okay, so here I counted out 9 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're going to pretend these Doritos or these pennies are the Doritos, and I'm going to give myself 3. That leaves this many for Moose. He gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 for me, 6 for Moose. Okay, I figured it out with objects, and I hope you did too at home. Now we're going to use show me in the picture. In the future, I'm just going to use the picture. You can pause the video to use count it out with the objects, okay? You ready? So we're going to give 3 to me because I'm hoping Moose will get some more Doritos. And then the rest of these are going to go to Moose. I get 3, and Moose gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause the video, right with, and write out the number bond. All right, I hope you paused and you figured out it on your number bond. Let's take a look at it. Friends, we started with 9 Doritos. I gave myself 3. That leaves 6 for Moose. Good job. This is what your number bond should look like. All right, let's refresh and try another one. This time, let's give 2 to me, and let's see how many Moose gets, okay? So grab 9 counters and figure it out, okay? Make 2 groups out of the 9. Pull out 2 for me, and then see how many's left for Moose. Go ahead. Go. All right, I hope you pause the video. Let's check to see if this object works out. You ready? So here's my 2. That leaves the rest for Moose. All right, and he gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause time. Show me your number bond. All right, I hope you paused. Hope you paused. It's good practice. You ready? We started with 9 Doritos, right? That's our whole. I, with my weird look on my face, got 2. Moose got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did your object show 2 and 7? Does your number bond look like mine? Thumbs up, friends. Thumbs up, fist bumps. All right. Let's try one more, friends, before we move on to 10. You ready? Refresh. This time, let's give 1 to Moose. Give 1 to Moose this time. Yeah. So count out 9 objects, give 1 to Moose, and see how many is left for me. Okay? Go. Okay, I hope you paused the video and actually did it. All right, let's give that 1 to Moose. I'm going to show you what it looks like in my picture. You ready? Let's give the rest to me. How many did I get? If you counted out your objects and paused the video, you should know what I got, right? But we're going to count it anyways. You ready? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, pause this video, write out a number bond, and see if you match my number bond. Go. All right, let's check your answer. You ready? 9 Doritos. I gave 1 to Moose. And I had 8 left for me. All right, that's how I've split up 9. 8 and 1 is 9, or 9 can be broken into 8 and 1. All right, let's move on to 10. 10 Oreos. Ooh, yum. Let's split them between me and Moose. You ready? We're going to do the way we did the first time. This time, though, I want you to try it with objects before I show you what I'm going to do. Here's what I want you to do, okay? I want you to count out 10 objects and then split them into two groups, giving one Moose one, me one, Moose one, me one, Moose one, me one, until you run out. Then see which, then you can see how many I got, how many Moose got. Go ahead and pause. All right, let's check to see if you are figured it out. Ready? So, me one, Moose one, me one, Moose one, me one, Moose one, me one, Moose one, me one, Moose one. All right. So it looks like I got, let me use a lighter color so we can see it on the Oreo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Oreos. And Moose got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Oreos for Moose. Pause, write a number button showing what we just did. Go. Did you pause your video? Anyways, let's check our answer. Ready? How many Oreos did we start with, friends? 10. That's our whole. How many Oreos did I get? 5. How many did Moose get? 5. 5 and 5 is 10, or 10 can be broken into 5 and 5. All right, let's refresh the screen and try another one. This time I want you to get your 9 counters, pretend they're Oreos, and give me 3. And let's see how many Moose gets. So give me 3, and then the rest go to Moose. See what the two parts are. Go ahead and pause, and then we'll try it with the picture. All right, let's try it with the picture. You ready? So we're going to give me 3, 2, 3, and the Moose gets the rest. Friends, if you remember a long time ago, we used dots to figure out the parts. And one of the ways to make this number is with 4 and 3. Do you remember what 4 and 3 make? That's okay if you don't. They make 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Moose gets 7 Oreos. All right, pause. I want you to write out your number bun and then push play and check your answer. Let's check our answer. You ready? How many Oreos, friends? 10. I got 3. Moose got 7. 10 is 3 and 7, or 3 and 7 make 10. All right, let's try one more. You ready? There it is. Okay, this time, get out your 10 counters, okay? And you're going to give me 2. Give me 2. Yeah, give me 2. And then let's see how many Moose gets, okay? Give me 2. And the rest go to Moose. See what your two parts are. Then press play and check your answer. Pause. Let's check your answer. I hope you're pausing out there. Here's my 2. The rest go to moose, and I see a 5 group and 3 more. What is that number? 8. You can also count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Pause the video, write out a number bond, press play and check to see if the number bond is correct. Sorry about the bounciness, friends. This part of the video messed up, so I'm just going to record it from my phone. Here we go. We're going to check your number bond, okay? So, how many cookies? 10 cookies. You ready? 10 is our whole. How many cookies did I get? 2. And how many cookies did Moose get? 8. 10 is 8 and 2, or 8 and 2 make 10. Now it's time for you to show what you know. All right, friends, hop on Nearpod. Okay, if you have Nearpod, the app, download it on your phone or tablet. Open it up and enter this code, ITCDG. That is ITCDG. If you are coming from our website, just click that Nearpod button and it'll take you right to the lesson and your name. You don't need the code. But if you're going to Nearpod directly, you will need to find the lesson. That's why we have a code, friends. All right, for today's Nearpod lesson, you're going to get an array of dots, okay? An array of dots. And those dots have been split into 2 parts, okay? You're going to just use those parts and finish your number bond. If you need the directions, though, click that blue arrow. The directions will fall down. Click that blue play button, and you can hear me read the directions to you. Look at the array of dots. The 9 dots have been split into 2 parts. Use the parts to complete the number bond. Okay. You can use these controls to write on it. That first one is a pencil tool. You can change the colors. Next one is a highlighter tool. Okay, it's like if you highlight over words when you're at school, we highlight. The next button is a text button. You can enter text. Don't enter text. You can write on there. But if you can't, your finger doesn't work, by all means, enter the text, okay? You can add a picture. And then the next one is the eraser button, okay? All right, you're probably going to use the first one, the pencil crayon tool. Yeah, that'll help you write in the number button. Okay, so you're going to finish the arrays. And then you're going to be able to split up your own array of 9 dots into 2 parts and then write those 2 parts in the number bond, okay? Then we move on to arrays of 10. And then that is it. That's done, friends. All right. Okay, friends, that's it for me today. Make sure you hop on Nearpod, practice your math, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.